Step number 6, request for repair or credit. After all the inspection reports come back, we will go over all the inspections, quotes, and seller disclosures and discuss any items we'd like to go back to the seller to remedy or credit. As mentioned in step number 4, houses in California are sold as is, but you as the buyer have the right to conduct inspections and ask the seller to repair, credit, or reduce the price based on these findings. Each scenario is different, and we will discuss the best action for you to take. The goal is to focus on health and safety or major deficiencies that may affect the property. The seller is not obligated to address anything, but if you don't ask, you don't get. The 3 options would be to have the seller fix the item, credit you for the needed repair, or reduce the purchase price. The seller can agree to all, some, or none of your requests. It is then up to you to move forward, make another request, or back out of the transaction and get your deposit back.